Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that are battling it out for the title of the best on the market. In the left corner we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and in the right corner we have the Vantrue Hardwire Kit. Let the comparisons begin. When it comes to recording your on-road adventures, video quality is crucial. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam boasts 4K Ultra HD recording, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. Its super night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Vantrue Hardwire Kit offers high-quality video recording, but it falls short of the ROVE R2-4K's 4K capabilities. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to view and manage recordings on your smartphone via the ROVE app. You can even share your videos on social media with ease. The Vantrue Hardwire Kit, on the other hand, doesn't offer Wi-Fi connectivity. So if you want to access your recordings on the go, the ROVE R2-4K is the winner here. GPS functionality is essential for tracking your driving route and speed. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to view your driving route on Google Maps via Wi-Fi. Plus, it offers free firmware upgrades, ensuring you always have the latest features. Unfortunately, the Vantrue Hardwire Kit doesn't have GPS functionality, so if you're a fan of location tracking, the ROVE R2-4K takes the lead. Let's dive into the additional features. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes packed with state-of-the-art technology. It has a built-in supercapacitor, wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop, cycle recording, emergency video lock, and even supports up to a whopping 512 GB micro SD card. The Vantrue Hardwire Kit, on the other hand, offers 24/7 parking surveillance, ACC Mode, and low-voltage protection. It's a tough call, but the ROVE R2-4K's extensive feature set gives it the edge. Overall, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam has received positive reviews for its video quality, ease of use, and value for money. Reviewers have praised its 4K Ultra HD recording capabilities and super night vision technology. On the other hand, the Vantrue Hardwire Kit has been praised for its easy installation and reliable power supply. However, some reviewers have reported issues with the fuse taps not fitting properly and a lack of customer support. And there you have it. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the Vantrue Hardwire Kit have battled it out, but in the end, the ROVE R2-4K takes the crown. With its superior video quality, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS functionality, and an array of advanced features, it's the ultimate choice for capturing your driving adventures. But hey, remember, it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Both products have their strengths, so make sure to consider what matters most to you before making a decision. That's all for today's episode of Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.